how to create space Confluence. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a space in Confluence in just a few minutes. Confluence is a powerful collaboration tool that helps teams create, share, and organize projects. So let's get started. First, head over to the Confluence website and log in. The quickest way is to use the Login with Google option. Just click the button, pick your account, and you'll be signed in within seconds. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option that says Create a Space, or simply click the plus icon in the side menu. This is where your new space begins. Next, you'll be asked to enter a space name. Pick something clear and relevant to your project or team, so everyone can easily recognize it later. For example, Marketing Team or Project Apollo. After typing in the name, click Next, and then you'll see the button that says Create Space. Go ahead and click it, and just like that, your new Confluence space is ready. Now you can start adding pages, project notes, meeting agendas, and anything else your team needs to stay on track. Think of this space as your team's digital hub, a place where everything stays organized and accessible. And that's it. You've successfully created a Confluence space. From here, explore other features like page templates, permissions, and integrations to make collaboration even smoother. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.